Hello guys, and today we are gonna be making a multiplayer catch the ball game. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be taking that you can see in this game that there is no limitations of time and you cannot get the score of your gameplay. Now we'll make this and also we'll convert this single player game to a double player multiplayer game. So play this on one computer. So now what you have to do is just go to ball and go to data and make a variable known as score. Now set score to 0 and change score by 2 and then go to ball 2 and then also set score to 0 and change score by 1 here. Now you can see that our score is also getting bigger at the same proportion. Now finish the coding of score. Now let's go to time. For the time, just go to events and take a when space keep pressed. Go to control and take a wait 1 second and repeat until. Then go to operations and take equals to. Now go to data and take a new variable known as time. So now set time to 30 and then repeat until the time equals to 0. So after that, just go to the and then take so now what you have to do is go to data and take a change time by -1. Again go to controls and take a wait 1 second. Now go to events and take a broadcast and broadcast a new message known as end. So now when I receive end, go to controls and take a stop other scripts in Sprite. Now again to the looks and take a hide. Again take this and copy it in all the balls. Now we'll see the times. Now we make it multiplayer. So go to ball 1 and duplicate it and then go to key right arrow pressed and right there D and go to left arrow and right there A and then set all the timings. Sorry, I just them wrong. Now place them in the places where go to X I Y and place it here, and the other one to place it here. Or you can place them like this if you want. And change their positions. And now you're finished. Just go to costumes of ball 1 and just write there ball number 1. Go to the second one and write there number 2. Now we'll select the backdrops. Here I have the backdrop. So I'll make it duplicate this one down and write there in black handwriting. And again down. And place this here. This.
So now you can see that I can play it with the first one, but I can't play it with the second one because the balls are not touching the second one.
Second one, just copy this. Make a new variable known as score2. And now place this touching bowl 2. Set score. Now we'll play the second one and check it. Yeah, so now it's working good. This was all for today. If you like this video, please like and please subscribe my channel.